How to use CVS ExtraCare Rewards step by step. To use the CVS ExtraCare Rewards, first of all, you have to find your orange CVS ExtraBucks reward and personalize coupons in 3 places. First of all, open the application and navigate to the Deals and Rewards tab. Now you simply have to go to the cvs.com using any web browser of your choice, then sign in to your account and look under the Current Rewards tab. Look at the very bottom of your physical store receipts to find yourself on ExtraBucks, and you can also look at the very bottom of your physical store receipts to see if you have earned ExtraBucks rewards. Now to activate your rewards, you simply have to go ahead and launch the application or simply head to the official website, then browse your available cash rewards or manufacturer coupons and tap send to cart. Once you do this, you can now use this reward points during your checkout as at register. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.